Hey everyone, in this tutorial I want to talk to you guys about null keyword. So guys, let's assume we have a boss and our boss asked us get me the people, users where department is null or where or who has not current department. Okay, let's try to handle this. For getting our departments where they are null, we will use null keyword. For example, we can write like this: select asterisk from company where. Now I should write my department name. I will say department, and I will say is null. Okay, when I write like this, I will say basically get me the users where department is null. If you choose the SQL, if you run this, I should get the all users where department is null. You can see here Tony, Tom, Tier, and Peter, all of these departments are null. Okay, so guys, for example, we can use also not operator here. For example, we can say select asterisk or star from the company where department is not null. Let's write is not null. If you click run, you should see all the users that department are not null. You can see here biology, chemistry, marketing, biology, chemistry, marketing, or etc. Okay guys, so that was our null keyword and using null keyword with not operator.